What's he doing?
What's he doing?
Or D's got the Claymore stacked 3 high right now. He's trying to put the 4th on top. Jump and do
The
it
wall
first.
was sound.
What?
Try jumping and
I
doing
like
it.
you knew.
Yes!
Let me see this. Where is this?
Right there.
Mission complete!
Oh my
I gotta take a picture of this.
Somebody's gonna get aerosolized when they run through there.
Oh shit, there's a guy coming!
Oh, I wish it wasn't laying there.
I let him run by. I didn't.
Oh, yep. I got him.
I got hit
Oh my
hard.
God. I let the guy walk by me just because I wanted to do the Claymore as well.
I had a stack there. We got company here.
Coming up.
Yeah.
Crawl to me, Bird. I got you.
Bro.
Please
Coming
don't.
up.
That guy's done.
2 more on the roof.
You got plates,
2 more
guys?
above
I'm
us.
out.
Here they come.
He's coming up. One more.
Don't even try it, son. We're like, how many eagles are there? Is that here? I didn't fire yet?
Down.
He ran down already? I think we just go out.
Yes, sir. Yay!
Oh well.
I ran out of ammo.
What a fucking kid!
Oops.
Oh, I just killed someone with a Claymore. Two up there. Me and Bird are ripping these fucking losers.
Wait, I'm out. What's it? Sports fan! Get down!
I did nothing.
Nice. Yeah. I knew we were watching crates. The hell was that?
Help!
I got you.
Guys, help!
Guy still in crates. He's coming in.
Help me!
Right.
Someone get on the roof
Over
with
there, Are you
me.
kidding me?
I'm trying, Bird.
Give
I'm
your-
trying.
Oh god.
Hold on.
I downed with my rocket. It was a double suicide.
How the hell are we gonna get in there? Gonna get it.
Can someone drop
That's all
land
we're
on?
here about. I'm not
Bobby,
this.
God damn it, Bird. We're doing this for you. Never leave the bird behind. That's our motto.
Oh, he landed on me.
The bird isn't left behind.
Bobby!
Guy on you with a pistol, bro. They're on you with a pistol.
This other guy.
Another
They're
one!
landing on us. Oh, I'm dead.
Lost her.
Ah! God damn it, Bird!
See? See, Bird? Thanks. She told me she probably would have won the game. Oh, we would have won the game. We would have had the break.
Yeah.
It's all about Bird, though. Told you not to go over there.
Oh, dead. Found him in there?
I'm selfing. Can someone get me?
Yep. What?
I'm dead. Can you guys try and buy me? Right here. Guys, can you buy me, please?
We will after.
Bobby,
We're gonna get
Bobby.
BDS and do a gas play.
Go.
Bobby, please,
Got
get me.
It's BDS.
Thanks, please.
I gotta get him.
Thank you, Bobby.
Where the hell is he?
He's
Found
at
him.
the
He's
door
in there.
right here.
That's it. Nice work.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Good
Is that
game.
3 in a row?
Yeah.
Oh my god, 2 of them.
Right there, he's right there. End of the
Yeah,
hall.
he's right.
God, Eric, you bailed on me.
I had to. Dude, I was
It's a
down to
game
no
of
health.
attrition.
Yeah. That's
We're in
really
it, boys. This is. Come on, Bird. We need a big bow here. We
I'm
need
gonna
a
get
big
the high
bow.
ground behind him when they come out.
Everyone plate up. Here, Bird. Plate.
Go to the Lodi and then get the high ground.
I got a stack of plates. I'm good.
I got no ammo left.
Down one.
Need help?
Down two.
Help!
I downed
Nice.
one.
Dad, get me!
Tap me, Puby.
I'm coming.
Alright, good win. Heard him. Holy shit.
Oh boy.
So he picked up.
Scouts are gonna try to come
One below. One above us.
Mine.
down on the roof. Somebody's on the roof. Watch the back door stuff.
More than one.
He's down.
Thanks for coming, sir. Have a good day.
Freaking douchebags. Wait, buddy. I'll leave you a business card if you want to join.
Oh shit, I dropped it on us.
Go first. Oh, they shot me
I'll go up
already.
there.
Nah, don't worry about me. Oh, okay, yeah.
Right there. Right there.
More side. Behind you, Bob.
Yeah!
Oh, I saw those guys get evaporated. He's laying there.
Yeah, Bird got me.
Nope.
Hot X still.
I got rid of that.
There's 1,000 clusters flying in. We're running
Yeah.
backwards right
I'm
now.
blocking it.
Oh, I broke my fucking leg.